Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to save everything that we find, and we will start by saving it on our computer with the browser favorites. The browser bookmarks, at the beginning, when the first internet browsers were made, there was no mechanism to save the addresses that we were finding, and people saved them in a text file or in a Word file, whatever word processor they had. Then browser manufacturers realized that there was a need to incorporate a mechanism to save those favorites or bookmarks. Depending on the browser, they call them one way or another, and incorporated a system, which is very similar in all browsers, to save them. The problem with this is that they remain in the computer and in the browser in which we have worked. So if we change browser or computer, we no longer have favorites. For this, they were inventing mechanisms. For example, Chrome allows you to connect to the browser and save the bookmarks. That is synchronized with the network, and then you can, in another place where you have Google Chrome, load those bookmarks. Then there are extensions for Firefox, for other browsers that do the same thing. They save your bookmarks on the network so you can open them from somewhere else. Problem? You have to have the Firefox and that extension, or you have to connect with the Chrome and that extension. So for that there is another place, which are other applications, which are the applications to save bookmarks on the network, which we will discuss in another video. Here what we're going to do is see how to use browser bookmarks in the most common browsers. We will start with Google Chrome. Google Chrome is very easy. Let's assume that we want to save this page of the browser bookmarks, which I have the video here, so I would go here on the right. Right now I'm looking at the bookmarks bar. It could be that I'm not seeing it. Then I would have to go here to the right, and I could show or not show. I don't see the bookmarks anymore. I already go here and show them. It does not matter if I show them or not show them. If I, in an URL of a page I give here to this little star, it will tell me where I want to save it, if in the folder are the bookmarks, or in the bookmarks bar, and what name I want to give it. I can also edit it to decide where I put it. Let's go, I save it. And from now on, I have here the browser's bookmarks. What happens? I want to remove it. Very easy. Right mouse button, delete. Sure, this has little room, then I want more space. Then, or I can give it here and tell it to save it to me. In other bookmarks, with which a folder will appear here, that I can already navigate. Or I can directly go here. Right button, say add folder, new folder. And now if I want, I can add the bookmark to the new folder. The test folder. Or I can even add it to the bookmarks bar and then take it and put it inside the folder. And from now on, when I want to go here, I'll hit here. And I'll go to this one. This. Then in Chrome, well, I have opened this that I didn't want to open. And then in Chrome, we have the possibility of going here the same thing. On the top right, give it here to log in Chrome, and then in settings I can synchronize the bookmarks. Let's see. Here now it won't come up, but either here in settings, either directly in the menu, I could sync the bookmarks so that it would save all my bookmarks in the cloud, in my Google Drive, so that if I log in somewhere else with Chrome, I could retrieve it. From the point of view of Firefox, which we have it here, well, it's very similar. We have here, let's give it a little bit bigger. We are going to look for here, for example, the page of the Polytechnic University of Valencia. I want to save this page. Here I do not see the bookmarks bar, so I give it here. And I say that I want to see the bookmarks bar, and I can, the same thing, I will have a little star to incorporate it. Right now I have incorporated it to a folder. Let's see. See the bookmark side panel? And be here in unsorted bookmarks, which I drag it here, I want to make a folder here. Right click, new folder, here, try it out. And the same thing, we can take the bookmark and put it in there, and when not, it's already inside. Let's go here. Let's say we go here, for example. If I go here, it's already in. That I want to delete it, right mouse button, delete it, and I can make me more folders. On a website, delete. Let's go to the popular browser. Popular that we have left for Windows, which is Google Chrome Because here we would have the same thing, the little star. Here it is a little different to see. The bar of markers. It is necessary to take out this bar with the output C we take out here, and we can add to favorites, to the bar of favorites, etc. This bar, for example, we could, and if the bookmarks bar is hidden, we could hide it, and if the bookmarks bar is hidden, we could not see it. We would go here to tools, to see, toolbars, favorites bar, and here we have our favorites bar, that if we click on the little star with this page, well, here we say to add it to favorites. Add it to favorites. In favorites, enter. Right now it has been added to us with, here it is, Google. If I want to put the bar of favorites, I take it and I drag it here. And I already have it in the favorites bar. That I want to eliminate it, right button of the mouse, delete. With Alt+C, I bring up the favorites menu again, button, that I want to put in. Delete this folder from Microsoft websites, right click, delete. If I want to put a folder over here, right click, create new folder, and here it is. If I want to drag this folder to the favorites bar, well, there it is. It is, as you can see, the mechanism is very similar in all the browsers. Then I could look for a browser extension and save this in the cloud and open it in another Firefox, etc. Now it's more convenient to use the web bookmarking tools we'll see. And with this, I'm done with today's chapter.